As women age beyond 40, some may prefer being penetrated from behind, highlighting the need to adapt to changing sexual preferences for mutual satisfaction. Research suggests smiling women are generally perceived as more attractive, while men who smile less are often considered hotter. Breast size can indicate vaginal size and fertility, with larger breasts linked to higher estrogen levels. Sexual desire typically peaks around age 22, and certain preferences can reflect fulfilling past experiences. The average vaginal size is 8 to 10 centimeters, suggesting the typical penis size is adequate for pleasure. Wearing red increases a woman's attractiveness, potentially leading to more dating opportunities. Psychological stimulation is crucial for achieving orgasm, emphasizing emotional connection and mental engagement. Stoicism promotes self-control, moderation, and respect, encouraging rationality and moral values for genuine fulfillment. In sexuality, it advocates for mindfulness, clear communication, self-discipline, and mutual consent. Women generally dislike comparisons, but often compare themselves to others internally. They are drawn to attentive men who remember details, signaling deeper interest and understanding. Many women nurture dreams and aspirations they hope will become reality. About 75% of women ask questions they already know the answers to, highlighting the importance of honesty and transparency. Women value straightforwardness and authenticity in interactions. Women have a heightened ability to remember attractive faces, particularly those of potential competitors. Their preferences for male partners can fluctuate with hormonal cycles, preferring masculine features during ovulation and softer features outside of it. Birth control pills can influence these preferences. Women value humor and the ability to evoke laughter, which fosters emotional connection and strengthens bonds. Sharing laughter is key in building and sustaining fulfilling relationships. Women often put effort into their appearance to feel confident, evoke envy, and appear more alluring. Their behavior may become more flirtatious around attractive men. Love can inspire women to demonstrate deep devotion and commitment. Contrary to stereotypes, women may experience strong desires and lust, even if not openly expressed. Curvier women with fatty acids in their hips may exhibit enhanced cognitive abilities. A notable percentage of women in the US are pregnant at any given time, highlighting fertility concerns. Ideal male physiques are often preferred, reminiscent of ancestral traits. Many women harbor insecurities about their appearance during sexual encounters, reflecting broader anxieties. Some women may accept dates for free meals, showing diverse motivations behind dating behavior. Understanding and empathy can significantly alleviate women's distress and foster emotional connections. Complexities in romantic relationships, such as deeper feelings for a best friend, require empathy and respect. Playful teasing and affectionate nicknames often signal attraction. Successful businessmen appeal to women in their 40s who are drawn to shared success and ambition. Women appreciate partners attuned to their nonverbal cues, which convey unspoken feelings and desires. The scent of a partner can significantly influence attraction. During ovulation, women may experience heightened desire and arousal, offering unique opportunities for intimacy. Some women may experience allergic reactions to male ejaculate, highlighting the need to understand individual health concerns. Women are more susceptible to mood swings due to hormonal fluctuations. Women may dwell more on individuals who ignore them, showcasing the complexities of female psychology. In discomfort, men typically touch their faces, while women gravitate towards touching their necks, clothing, jewelry, arms, and hair for self-comfort. Despite having twice as many pain receptors as men, women often display higher pain tolerance. Silence is a powerful expression of pain for many women, with about 80% choosing this form of communication during emotional distress, indicating profound hurt or dissatisfaction. Socially conscious women dress appropriately for various occasions, and mirroring their attire can be thoughtful. Unlike men who exchange insults in jest, women often offer compliments in social interactions, sometimes insincerely. A man's sense of humor significantly influences women, often more than physical attractiveness. Men typically have shorter life expectancies than women, highlighting inherent gender disparities in health outcomes. Honesty is crucial when women ask questions, as they often already know the answers. Women with higher IQs may find it challenging to find compatible mates, reflecting societal complexities around intelligence and romantic compatibility. Women use both brain hemispheres in problem solving, while men predominantly use the left. Women tend to wear only a fraction of their clothing collection, unlike men who use more of their wardrobe. Studies reveal that women maintain secrets for an average of 47 hours and 14 minutes, highlighting the dynamics of trust and confidentiality. Depression is a significant concern among women, with 1 in 4 experiencing severe depression at some point. Heart disease and cancer are leading causes of mortality among American women, emphasizing the need for prioritizing women's health initiatives. Cultural practices, like wearing nose rings in India to signify marital status, reflect the rich tapestry of societal customs. Women's friendships, especially those with male companions, play a pivotal role in emotional well-being, highlighting the importance of supportive social networks. Women have a higher density of taste buds than men, affecting culinary experiences. Romantic interactions reveal that individuals fall in love an average of 7 times before marriage. Women tend to disclose personal information to individuals with musical instruments, showing the influence of environmental stimuli on social behavior. Most of the world's wealthiest women have inherited their fortunes from fathers or husbands, reflecting historical socio-economic structures and prompting reflections on wealth distribution across genders. Venus is the only planet named after a female deity, while many moons and stars have names from feminine figures, highlighting the interplay between mythology and astronomical nomenclature. Women often wear jeans when feeling depressed, linking fashion choices to emotional states. Arguments can indicate emotional investment, with women more likely to argue with those they care for, and decreased confrontations, signaling reduced interest in a relationship. The high frequency of maternal mortality, with 1 woman dying from childbirth-related complications every 90 seconds, underscores the urgent need for comprehensive maternal health care initiatives globally. Understanding gender differences and human cognition. Women generally have superior facial recognition abilities compared to men. Fluctuations in vocal pitch among women, especially around those they favor, highlight the role of nonverbal cues in social interactions. Attraction and mate selection. Research reveals gender-specific preferences in romantic pursuits. Men often focus on physical attributes like weight, while women prioritize height. These preferences are shaped by societal norms and evolutionary psychology, influencing partner selection dynamics. Evolutionary theories suggest women prefer older partners due to resource acquisition and reproductive viability considerations. Olfactory preferences. Studies show women may prefer partners whose scent resembles their father's, indicating the subconscious influence of familial bonds on attraction. This highlights the complex nature of gender dynamics, from celestial symbolism to intimate interactions, offering rich insights into human behavior and the need for inclusive, equitable societies. Perceptions of attractiveness. Happiness is often seen as an attractive quality in women, while pride is appealing in men. These gender-specific dynamics underscore the complexity of psychological preferences and societal expectations in shaping attractiveness. Cognitive differences between genders also affect spatial navigation, with women using landmarks and men relying on directional cues. Intimacy and communication. Psychological stimulation is crucial for women's sexual satisfaction, often overlooked compared to physical dynamics. As people enter their 40s, sexual preferences evolve, emphasizing adaptability and mutual understanding. Clear communication and respect for boundaries are essential for navigating intimate relationships, fostering empathy and emotional intelligence. Self-awareness and intimacy. For women in their 40s, intelligence, emotional stability, and self-assurance can enhance intimacy, making the experience more meaningful and satisfying. Understanding female psychology helps cultivate stronger bonds and deeper intimacy in relationships. Psychological factors significantly influence sexual satisfaction, often overshadowed by physical aspects. Stoic principles in intimacy. Stoicism promotes self-control, moderation, and respect in all interactions, including sexual ones. By prioritizing virtue over fleeting pleasures, individuals can cultivate meaningful connections. Stoicism emphasizes mutual consent, clear communication, and emotional intelligence, fostering fulfillment and dignity in intimate relationships. Embracing holistic approaches. Understanding the interplay between psychological stimulation, communication, and philosophical principles enriches intimacy and sexual fulfillment. By adopting a holistic approach, individuals can deepen connections, achieve greater satisfaction, and find lasting fulfillment in their relationships. Cultivating virtue and integrity. Stoicism advocates for a mindful and virtuous approach to sexuality, ensuring actions align with moral principles. This philosophy encourages mutual consent, emotional intelligence, and respect for boundaries, guiding individuals to deeper, more satisfying connections with their partners. Engaging in meaningful dialogue. Reflect on the insights gathered from understanding women's evolving sexual preferences and the complexities of attraction and intimacy. Share your thoughts and experiences to enrich our collective understanding. Meaningful dialogue fosters shared learning and deeper connections.